Okay, this video we're going to walk down and there's some really beautiful colored buildings right there, so we're just going to follow that down. This is what the street looks like. Kind of goes uphill, but we're going to be going downhill. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be following this one down. Just so you can get some context, we did one of this temple right here. Pretty cool looking little temple. I really think it's amazing. It's like such kind of right in the neighborhood. So what we're gonna be doing is going down and there's some kind of interesting temple and school and stuff. So we're just gonna follow this buildings. Then this one, there's something going on with the temple. But yeah, look how beautiful this is. And up there you can see a dragon head for the dragon dance. And this is called Calçada das Verdades, Street of Truth, Street of the Truth. Look how colorful this is. It's a bit hard with the bright sun at the moment, but there we go. This is called Patio de Santa Filomena. Santa Filomena. And we're gonna keep on going down. There's another temple right here. In a little alley. Tiny little temple. Pretty cool though. But our focus is gonna be on these three buildings. This Calçadas das Verdades. That's kind of cool too. It's kind of cool, those little apartments at the very top. Anyways, we're gonna keep on going down and focus on this. Look how cool these cars are. Huh. It's pretty cool. I don't know why those cars, why these are that color. Let's get out of the sun a little bit and then you can see them better. Huh. All little hustlers. Okay, let's get out of the sun a little bit. The sun is bright. Okay, now we got out of the sun, so now we can see exactly what's going on here. Yeah, these apartments look so interesting. They're designed in an interesting way because they have like a little plaza, little outside part. But I imagine, oh, there's the stairwell, so this one has this apartment right here, but the stairwell goes up to all the ones up above. And then this one kind of has like an outdoor balcony. Huh. So interesting. And then there's another one coming up here. Oh, I think there's a hotel right here too. And this one. Kind of want to get out of the sun, so I'm going to keep going down a little bit. There's like a brick wall right there. So we're going to keep on going. Let's just see. So this is Travessa Calçada. Now you can see all three of these bright buildings right there. So that's basically our focus. Let me just step back a little bit. And I think we're gonna end this video in a minute. I kind of want to show you this little thing right here too. So we're gonna go back a little bit further, and then we're going to show you from another angle down below just a little tiny bit. Some pretty cool spaces around here. There we go. And then right there, there's a whole other hotel right there that has kind of large windows, pension towns. Okay. And I think what we'll do is we'll just we're gonna finish the street at the end of the street, so we can just label it accordingly. Hope you like it. It's kind of cool little space. There you go. There you go. It's kind of cool. Then we're gonna end in this space right here. And that's the end of this particular video. Hope you liked it.